Lindsay Valentine, Realtor with Century 21. Today we're looking at this fabulous home. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. Welcome to the vibrant community of Spring Mountain Ranch, nestled in Riverside, California. Today we embark on an exciting journey to explore the exceptional KB Homes Sonoma model. This residence is a true masterpiece, boasting 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, all wrapped up in a single-story layout that spans an impressive 2,396 square feet. Prepare to be captivated by the seamless fusion of elegance and functionality. As we step into this residence, the open floor plan unfolds before us, revealing a thoughtfully designed space that maximizes both roominess and comfort. The crown jewel of this home is undoubtedly the great room, a place where sophistication meets functionality. Bathed in the warm glow of recessed lights and surrounded by expansive windows, this area beckons you to be the epicenter of entertainment, where cherished memories are created and shared. Adjacent to the great room is the dining area, a space that effortlessly transitions from casual family dinners to stylish soirees. A large window and a sliding glass door flood the area with an abundance of natural light, creating an inviting atmosphere that enhances shared meals and gatherings. This seamless connection to the outdoors invites the beauty of the surrounding landscape to become part of your dining experience. Step into the backyard where endless opportunities for enjoyment and relaxation await, allowing you to savor the best of Southern California's beautiful weather. Isn't this home absolutely lovely? The kitchen is a culinary delight, showcasing beautiful countertops, a stylish backsplash, and convenient USB charging ports. Equipped with stainless steel appliances such as oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher, this kitchen is as functional as it is elegant. This KB Homes Sonoma model is not just a house, it's a testament to modern living, where design meets functionality and every detail is crafted to enhance your lifestyle. Stay with us as we continue to uncover the unique features and undeniable charm of this remarkable home in Spring Mountain Ranch. A standout feature is the walk-in pantry, offering smart and convenient additional storage. This center island doubles as a breakfast bar, providing a perfect spot for casual dining or a quick bite to eat. Pendant lighting adds a touch of sophistication, while extra storage below ensures practicality. This stainless steel sink provides a pleasant view of the backyard, making kitchen chores a delightful experience. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The primary bedroom is tucked away for ultimate privacy. This haven of comfort invites you to unwind in style. The strategically placed windows allow natural light to gently filter in, creating a tranquil ambiance, accentuated by the recessed lighting. The plush carpeting underfoot adds an extra layer of coziness, turning this space into a retreat within your own home. Step into the ensuite primary bathroom, a sanctuary of sophistication and functionality. Convenience is key, and the private water closet with a toilet is a thoughtful addition, ensuring a sense of exclusivity and comfort. Prepare to be impressed by the expansive master walk-in closet, a dedicated space designed for your wardrobe in mind. Whether you're organizing winter layers or breezy summer attire, this closet accommodates it all, bringing a sense of order to your personal style. But the story doesn't end there. 2 linen closets offer even more storage options. Imagine neatly arranging your clothing, storing cleaning products, and stacking plush towels within easy reach. These closets embody the perfect blend of practicality and style, seamlessly integrating into the overall design of this splendid home. The shower, adorned with its own recessed lighting, offers a spa-like experience, while the cabinets with a vanity provide ample storage for your daily essentials. The inclusion of dual sinks adds a touch of elegance and streamlines your morning routine. As you envision yourself in this meticulously crafted space, it becomes clear that every detail has been carefully considered to elevate your living experience. The primary bedroom and its accompanying amenities stand as a testament to the thoughtful design and the commitment to providing a home that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. Discover the versatile den, an ideal space for a home office, study area, piano room, or game room. Your imagination sets the limit. If you've been captivated by this home and its surroundings, don't forget to share this video with friends who appreciate model house tours. And for those actively searching for a new home, check out the link in the description for similar listings. Your support means a lot to us, so please take a moment to give this video a like. It not only encourages us, but it also helps others discover our channel. The thoughtful inclusion of green features, such as dual pane, energy-efficient, low-E-glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and LED lighting, not only enhances sustainability, but also contributes to lower utility bills. This second bedroom features a window, carpeting, and a closet. The residence is equipped with both heating and air conditioning, providing you with the perfect environment, no matter what the season. The laundry room is well appointed with washer-dryer hookups, cabinets, a sink, and an area for folding clothes. Direct access to the two-car garage ensures convenience. However, it was locked and we weren't able to access it. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the other bedrooms. The third bedroom boasts a window, a walk-in closet, and cozy carpeting. We're grateful for your continued interest, and stay tuned for more engaging home tours. If you have a specific request or question, drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. What's your favorite room in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. The guest bathroom features cabinets, dual sinks, a mirror, and a shower in the bathtub. The fourth bedroom, complete with a window, carpeting, and a closet, awaits your personal touch. Beyond the walls of the splendid home lies a vibrant community with an HOA, offering not just a house but a lifestyle. Imagine strolling along miles of pedestrian trails or spending leisurely afternoons in the expansive 6-acre community park. Enjoy a friendly game on the sand volleyball court or basketball court and savor delicious meals in the barbecue and picnic areas. The community's amenities create a dynamic and engaging living experience. As you navigate through the hallway, you'll discover a coat closet, a practical storage solution that complements the home's thoughtful design. Another linen closet adds to the abundance of storage options, ensuring that every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Location is key, and Spring Mountain Ranch places you conveniently close to notable landmarks, such as Loma Linda University Medical Center, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside. Whether it's work, leisure, or education, everything you need is within reach.
I told you that house was fantastic. What did you think? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this house, you'll probably like either of these as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about selling your home or buying one, please give me a call, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.